What if the only difference between the creator who wins and the creator who quits is the one who simply refuses to stop believing in themselves when the numbers don't result? If you've ever stared at your analytics dashboard and wondered whether you're wasting your time, you're not alone. Every successful creator has been in that exact emotional trench, refreshing stats, second-guessing titles, doubting ideas, and questioning whether they're cut out for this. What separates the ones who rise from the ones who disappear isn't talent, luck, or charisma. It's the ability to protect their optimism long enough for their skills to catch up, their audience to find them, and their momentum to kick in. Most new creators underestimate the emotional stamina required to stay in the game. They think the biggest challenge is learning editing, scripting, thumbnails, or beating the algorithm. But those are technical hurdles. The real challenge is surviving the quiet stretch, the phase where you put in the work but the world hasn't noticed yet. This is where optimism becomes a strategic advantage, not a fluffy motivational phrase. It's the fuel that stops you from abandoning a video that's underperforming, the drive that pushes you to upload again, and the belief that your next idea could be the breakthrough you've been working toward. But optimism alone isn't enough. It has to be paired with realism, a kind of grounded persistence that understands growth doesn't follow a straight line. Every channel, even the massive ones, grew through chapters of uncertainty. They didn't become great and then continue, they continued, and then became great. That's the formula. Creators who succeed adopt what many call delusional optimism, but what is actually disciplined optimism. It's not ignoring the challenges, it's acknowledging them and showing up anyway. It's the quiet confidence that the gap between where you were and where you want to be is bridgeable if you simply keep putting one foot in front of the other. The truth is, YouTube rewards those who stay. Not with shortcuts. Not with overnight success. But with the gradual sharpening of skills, the refining of ideas, and the slow accumulation of experience that makes your content better, your storytelling clearer, and your understanding of your audience sharper. If you've ever wondered why some creators explode seemingly out of nowhere, it's because they spent years building foundations that nobody saw. Persistence is the invisible work that leads to visible results. The algorithm doesn't decide winners, consistency does. When creators quit, it's rarely because they don't have talent. It's usually because they misinterpret the silence. Early videos are not a reflection of your potential, they're simply the price of entry. Yet this is where most creators lose their optimism. They assume slow growth means they're not good enough, when in reality, slow growth simply means they're at the beginning. To play the long game, you need a mindset that's built to withstand the early drought. Protecting your optimism means building habits that keep you moving, publishing even when inspiration fades, experimenting even when ideas flop, learning even when results disappoint. It means acknowledging that your creative identity will be shaped not by your best videos, but by the ones you made when you didn't feel like showing up at all. There will always be easier paths, shortcuts, trends, hacks, and quick win promises. But every shortcut has the same destination: short-lived success. Sustainable growth requires a sturdier strategy, commitment. The creators who stay long enough eventually unlock something the early quitters never do: they find their voice. Once you find your voice, your audience finds you. And this brings the hook full circle. Remember the opening question. What if the only difference between the creator who wins and the creator who quits is the one who simply refuses to stop believing when the numbers don't result? Protect your optimism and play the long game. Stay resilient and intentional. Long-term belief outperforms shortcuts, trends, and quick fixes. Here is the answer, the single best piece of advice for any struggling new creator. Protect your optimism at all costs and keep going. Because the moment you stay committed long enough to outlast self-doubt, you become unbeatable.